Here's how you can shorten a video on the iPad. Let's get started. If it's your first time here, most definitely become part of the community. Subscribe to Foxtecc so that way you'll never miss the important updates in the future. Anyway, you have your videos stored in the Photos app. In order to shorten them, it's simple. Just open up the video at full screen within your Photos app and go to the edit mode. So at the top, you have like the edit button. You can click there and you will see a little preview or like a timeline of the video below. And the point is that we need to grab it either from the left edge or the right one and shorten it by dragging the thing toward the middle. So you kind of like leave out the beginning or ending parts of the clip, and that's useful because you can always hit a save and even save it as a copy or even replace the original one with the edit. So it depends on what your goal is, but that's how you can do it. The only possible problem with it is that you might need to remove or cut out some middle parts of the video, right? And not just the beginning or end. And for that, you would need to use a dedicated video editor. So obviously, plenty of choices are available, but I keep recommending CapCut in my videos because it kind of seems like a good option and it always works for me. So you can import your clips into a video editor like this one. Make sure you go to some middle parts of the clip, click on a split, then a split again, and we can remove a middle portion of the video, therefore making the whole clip shorter, but not by cutting out the beginning or end, but some middle portion instead. So that is all from me. I really hope I can help you out, and let me know in the comments if it helped. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming videos as well.